Hey Terry, it's Jor-El giving you a video follow-up from Audi Winnipeg. I just wanted to give you a breakdown of everything that you'd be paying for on this beautiful 2019 Q5 Technic in the Ibis White with the Atlas Beige interior, so excellent choice. So as you can see here, the MSRP of the vehicle is $55,600. The fine grain ash inlay is $600 for a total of $56,200. You're getting a $1,000 discount, $500 from Audi, $500 from us, but we're gonna give another $1,000 discount from Gerald. Obviously, it's a personal, and we want to do our very best for you. So you get $2,000 off your vehicle. So total is $55,200. You have the Audi beam lights, so when you open the door, you see those beautiful 4 Audi rings. The Manitoba package is your summer mats, your winter mats, your locking wheel nuts, your nitrogen, your tire, first aid kit, and boot tray. And then you have an air tax, a documentation fee. Freight, it goes from Mexico to Edmonton, here, $2,095. Tire tax of $1,875, and the Audi Care, the 5 years of scheduled maintenance is all covered. All your oil changes, filter changes, plugs, everything. And we don't charge you anything for a full tank of premium fuel. We just believe it's the right thing to do. So the total MSRP is $56,200. The residual or buyout would be at 46% of $25,852. So at 48 months at 4.98%, taxes in, you're at $1,030.15. That's total, including all your taxes. So as you can see, this is the beautiful vehicle right here that you have selected. And of course, we have gorgeous interior pictures here. So just want you to review that when you consider everything this weekend. Again, we want you. We very much value your business and want you to be part of the Audi family. So thank you very much for the opportunity, and let me know what you'd like to do. But congratulations on a great choice. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.